Welcome to another CoinFLEX tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the permissionless trading zone. Once your token is listed successfully, you can view the token market on the CoinFLEX trading platform. Permissionless Zone Banner. The Permissionless Zone banner indicates that the tokens in this zone are listed directly by users as perpetual futures or spot markets. Please note that these tokens are subject to higher volatility, and trading is only allowed in the designated sub-account using isolated margin. Isolated margin. Isolated margin is the margin balance allocated to an individual position. Isolated margin mode allows you to manage the risk for your individual positions by restricting the amount of margin allocated to each one. ADL priority. ADL priority is our auto-deleveraging mechanism which enforces priority ranking liquidation. This means that more profitable and higher leveraged positions will be liquidated first. Market details. The market details section provides you with further details for your listed token. At the top, you will see corresponding market data for your token including trading volume, contract value, and other market information similar to what you see for other CoinFLEX markets. You will also see the token address, which is the unique contract address for the token you are trading. At the bottom, you will see external data such as the listed DEX pools, corresponding social media profiles, as well as links to CoinGecko market data for your token. Thanks for tuning in to the CoinFLEX Permissionless series. If you would like further information about our permissionless listing and perp products, please refer to the corresponding FAQ and support documentation.